Hey everyone, Adam here at Memphis Wood Fire Grills. Today I want to talk to you about the RTD. The RTD is how the grill measures the temperature inside the chamber. It's sort of the logic that tells the grill, do we need to get warmer? Do we need to take some fuel away because it's too warm? It's what keeps it at that perfect temperature, which makes this Memphis so fantastic. So let's take a look at that. The first thing you always want to do, of course, unplug the grill first, right? So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to open this up. Mine is new, but this right here is your RTD. Regular maintenance tells us that we need to keep this clean. What can happen with this is carbon can build up on this, and sometimes if you don't keep it clean, it could get some goofy readings. Other things that can happen is sometimes your grill will throw an error code, too hot, not hot enough. A lot of times it all comes back to this RTD. If that does happen, you can run the diagnostics through the controller, which we'll talk about in a different video, and it might tell you if this is good or bad. But another way to check it is just to, when it's plugged in and not on, you can just grab this and you can actually look at the screen and see if that temperature is moving. Is it close to ambient temperature or is it bouncing all over the place? In any of those situations, the first thing you're going to want to do is clean this. And what I always do is I get soap and water and steel wool and just very gently clean this off to make sure there's no buildup on it. If for some reason you do have to replace this, super simple. You can see right at the top here, there's just a Phillips screwdriver. You're just going to go ahead and unscrew that. What's going to happen then is this is going to get loose. Don't drop your screw. From here, this is going to actually go ahead and push back through. Let's go take a look at the back of the grill. Back here, there's two screws on your back panel. You're going to take those two screws out, open your hopper lid and pull that panel off. It just pulls straight out. Back up here, you're going to see, here's where our RTD actually comes through the back wall of the grill, and you can see these white wires. If you follow those down through the retainer clips, eventually you're going to end up at the logic board, and these are your RTD plugs. There's no rhyme or reason. You don't have to have them plugged into the exact same one. You can plug them into either one, but essentially you're going to unplug those two pink clips, pull them off, and you're good to go. From there, when you replace it, you basically do everything in reverse. You're going to take your RTD, you're going to push the wires back through the wall, run them down through the clips, plug them back into these on the logic board, and then you're just going to put that screw back in on the top RTD. You're back to cooking.